Hello everybody, I wanted to give you an update on the San Antonio market and the third quarter. All the numbers are in now, and so we got a pretty good idea of what's been going on. I can tell you that the inventory is growing a little bit. 10,000 resales on the market right now and about 4,000 builder homes on the market here in San Antonio. The days on market has climbed back up to pre-pandemic levels. So the average days on market is somewhere between 85 and 90, which again is not bad, but it's also quite a bit more than what we've experienced in the last couple of years. Somebody asked me if it was a buyer's market, and the answer is it depends. In certain submarkets, it is very much a buyer's market. If it's a house in the suburbs where you're competing with the builder, it's very much a buyer's market. They've got all kinds of incentives and discounts and things like that that the resale market can't match. There are other submarkets where it's a seller's market, or as good as it's ever been. The scarcity, the exclusivity, something that's established, trees, leafy, and things like that. So everyone is different. Every case study is different, and I want to make sure that you know how much we drill down to make sure we get the right valuation for a property and get you the most amount of money if you're one of our sellers. Overall, the market sales are down just a little bit from quarter over quarter. In the last couple of years, they've trended down just a scooch. Prices have come down just a little bit from a 30,000 foot view. If the average price at the peak of the market was 400,000, now it's closer to 387 or 385. The big difference is when it was a $400,000 house at the peak of the market, buyers were paying 405 or 408 to get it, and they were overbidding on houses. They were offering the seller a couple of weeks to move out with no rent charge. They wouldn't dare ask for any closing costs or repairs or anything else because they were in a competitive situation. Now that pendulum has swung back the other direction, so that same $400,000 house is now, like I said, 385, 387, and then just typically a 2 to 2.5 or 3% contribution to the buyer to either get their interest rates down, pay their closing costs, or something like that. So the net has been probably about a $25,000 swing in that price range. Again, but everyone is different. Those houses have also realized a great deal of appreciation. If it was built in 2017, 18, 19, it's gone up dramatically. It's fallen back a little bit from the peak. The people that are really caught in the crossfire right now are the people that bought in 21 and 22. The market has not sustained itself like it did going into those months. So other than that, things are going great. We got a break from the Fed. They dropped the interest rate 50 basis points. We're hoping that we'll get another one. Most of that was already baked into the mortgage numbers, so you didn't see a big swing there, but it did instill some consumer confidence, made people feel like there was some opportunity there. I think there's going to be a lot of pent-up demand in the second quarter of 2025. I think the first quarter might be a little skinny just because of all the distractions and the election and everything else. But as rates come down, get closer to the mid to low fives, I think we'll see quite a few buyers emerge. I think 2025 is going to be a really good year. I think it'll be a lot tremendous opportunity. I think the builders will do well. I think the resale market will do well, and certainly very blessed to be in San Antonio with our job growth and our in-migration and the economy that we have here. So if there's anything I can do for you, please don't hesitate to call me. Thank you very much for the opportunity to earn your business.